Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. I just parked here at TTC. I am heading inside the Magic Kingdom today. No real plans. I'm meeting up with some friends and just have a good time. Hopefully try a few more Christmas treats that I have not tried yet. Check out wait times, crowd levels, and just have a good time. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. I wanted to come check out the ticket prices to see if anything has changed. Everything looks the same as far as pricing. The line for the monorail was a little backed up at the moment, so I am deciding to take the ferry boat, which has no line at the moment. It is quite chilly this afternoon. I believe the current temperature, 57 degrees. And away we go. I know I say it all the time, but there's nothing like walking right down the middle of Main Street, USA from the train station, especially around Christmas time. It's just a little bit more magical. Oh, yum. Look at the winter cotton candy. That looks good. I hear music. That must mean one thing. A Disney Christmas cavalcade is heading this way.
You can't beat Home Sweet Home for the holidays.
I don't know if I'm just lucky, but this is the third time I've walked into the park and I've walked right into a cavalcade. What a great way to start your day. I stopped inside Cosmic Rays to meet some friends and to say hello to Mr. Sunny Eclipse. He's still going after all these years. What do you guys think of crowd levels so far since you've been here from California?
They're actually okay. Like, I mean, I'm used to extremely crowded Disneyland, but with all the precautions and everything now, like, you know, at first walking in was busy, but now it's like really manageable.
Yeah.
There's not too many people here.
Luckily, plenty of elbow room. And the wait times aren't too bad.
Yeah.
No.
Obviously, I was here in July, I was here in October. They were less busy than this is. This is the busiest of the 3 times on my Florida trips. There's certain areas that are empty, and there's certain areas that are kind of compact, but if you go to certain walkways, there's no one back there.
Yeah.
So it's just the way everything's dispersed.
It's always hit or miss. Like one day it could be empty, the other could be very busy. And just to show you guys how not busy, I guess, it is today, normally the Castle Hub here is full of people taking pictures. And even over here, we got lucky today. This is very enjoyable so far. It is a Wednesday, so that could be why. Big Thunder Mountain is a 40-minute standby wait. Here is the back of the line currently. Oh, look at this. The water has been drained. I believe Disney does this every year for maintenance. It's very weird seeing no water as they're doing work right there. We are going to hop in line for Splash Mountain. It says it is only a 20-minute standby wait, but look at this line for Big Thunder Mountain as it weaves in and out of the Frontierland train station. And then remember, the back of the line was all the way this way. Man, that's a little intense. All right, let's see if it's really a 20-minute wait. 9 minutes and 50 seconds, and we are next.
A little more excitement, time to be moving along.
What you doing up there in my rabbit track, real man? You need to come pull yourself. What you doing? Wait, ow! Oh, Mr. Beetle!
Here we go, the big drop is coming. I have Adam to protect me from the water. Here we go. We all got a little bit wet. I had to protect the camera at all costs.
today.
If you noticed, I pointed at the railroad above Splash Mountain. Looks like they had the lights turned on, so that kind of tells me they're in there working. So maybe the railroad is coming back sooner than we thought. That is one to remember. I don't know what Adam is doing. I just mobile ordered the Let It Snow chocolate taco. And here we are. We have the Let It Snow chocolate taco for $5.29. We have copyrighted music in the background, so I gotta hurry this food review up. But look, it's like they stick the taco with like some gingerbread frosting or something like that. Oh boy. I think if you like sweet, if you like gingerbread flavoring, kind of like a sugar cookie, and then you have some glitter on there as well, you'll like this. I rushed over here to finally try the Chip and Dale. I think it's the gingerbread churro, and the line was really short, so I rushed over here, but they closed off the line. I guess they ran out of these churros. Everything I've been hearing, they are delicious. Hopefully one day I'll get one, but you do have to get here a little bit early. It's only like 3:30 and they closed it down.
That's what makes the holidays so swell.
We are now in line for Pirates of the Caribbean. It now says it is a 40-minute standby wait. We have been in line for about 10 minutes, and look at the line now. It starts right there, and then it loops all the way around and all the way back, and here we are. Oh wow, it says it is now a 60-minute wait. Only waited 24 minutes and 33 seconds, and here we are.
The gentlemen want the rum, don't you, boys?
Hey, watch the rum! To see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears tell 'tis only me what's got the goods.
On the way out of Pirates, I noticed some AP exclusive Christmas merch. Have a phone case, and then look at this sweater. It says pass holder. I like it. Also has the Christmas projections on there. 50 bucks. If you ever thought to yourself, does the Liberty Bell run on a track? Yes, it does. Who would have thought construction work here at Disney would be so fascinating? It's a little chilly out, and Disney has the hot cocoa out. Mr. Adam is getting us some piping hot coffee instead. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, yeah, it's very piping hot. Yes. Just nod your head, yes. Our last attraction of the day, Big Thunder Mountain. It says it is a 40-minute standby wait, but look at this. The line is no longer that long, so I think it's more like 10. We'll see. Well, look at this. 13 minutes and 1 second, and we are next.
That's a haunted mansion time right there.
Yeah.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness. You're wearing hats or glasses, you best remove them. Best remove them. Best remove them. Okay, I'm gonna.
It's the wildest ride in the
Wait,
wilderness.
these right here, best not remove them.
glasses.
My camera almost flew away.
Is that when I like took all my body weight against you? Like,
Ooh, I'm gonna feel that in the morning.
Oh man.
What a way
we did it.
to close this down.
Best removed them. And we kept these on. We best
did.
not remove
We
them.
did. Something very exciting is happening now. Disney surprised everybody about a week or so ago when the Castle Christmas projections change effects. Fireworks will burst out. Not that many fireworks, but we still have some fireworks. How cool is that? I'm not gonna stay today because it's getting late and I've been here all day. I'm getting a little cold, but I do wanna come back very soon at nighttime and watch the castle burst of fireworks. I just think that was very clever of Disney to do.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Also, some more good news, the Grand Floridian Walkway is now open, so you can walk from the Magic Kingdom to the Grand Floridian, to the Polynesian, and then to TTC. Look at that monorail shot. I'm gonna save that for a future video, but don't worry, I will take you guys on that walk very soon. All right, my friends, that is all that I have for you guys today. It was a lot of fun. I walked in, I had no sort of plans, I just winged it. I don't often do that. I usually come to these theme parks and have a plan. So I think I need to do these type of videos more. It was nice to be able to actually hop in some lines and test out and see if the queues were actually as long as the posted wait times. So keep that in mind. It was a very successful day. I had a blast hanging out with some more friends. And you do have to wonder, after Christmas and New Year's is all over and the New Year's here, we already know park hopping is coming back. Seeing the lights on for the railroad. I could be overthinking a little bit, but more is coming in 2021, and I can't wait to see what Disney brings back, what reopens. I'm very excited to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. And if you're new here, please subscribe, because we do this quite often, and make sure you have those notifications turned on and set to always. That way you will always be notified when I release a new video or even go live. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you in the next video. Prince Charming, out.
Out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of